What's up everybody, Landon with LMR.com. Welcome to my overview on 5.0 Resto's intake manifold vacuum tree designed for the 1986 to 1993 5-liter Mustang. The intake manifold vacuum tree plays a vital role in engine performance. A defective one can cause a host of problems, with the biggest being vacuum. The Fox Body Restoration Perfectionist at 5.0 Resto offers a replacement intake manifold vacuum tree that incorporates the factory thread and ports. This particular vacuum tree features steel construction and a black finish for a long service life, and it was designed for factory Mustang upper intake manifolds. The tree has two 1/8-inch barbed ports that connect fuel pressure and the vacuum line block. The main 3/8 port connects to the firewall vacuum tree in the port labeled S, indicating source. The intake manifold vacuum tree will also fit 1993 Cobra intakes if the unused port is capped off. When installing this vacuum tree, you will have to remove the upper intake. We're going to show you how to install this with the intake manifold already removed from the car. Make sure the ports on the intake are clean and free of debris. Apply thread sealer or some Teflon tape to the threads on the tree. You're going to thread the tree in by hand and then tighten it down with an 11/16 combination wrench. Tighten the vacuum tree until it becomes tight, and then rotate until the main 3/8 port is orientated up toward the driver's side at a 45-degree angle. At this point, you can reinstall the upper intake manifold and reconnect your vacuum lines. Wrapping things up here, guys, this is a crucial part for optimal engine performance. Again, this intake manifold vacuum tree will fit 86 to 93 Mustang upper intake manifolds, of course 93 Cobra intakes if the unused port is capped off, and any aftermarket manifold that uses this factory vacuum tree. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like this video and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, be sure and check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning.